Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the playlist where the video lives. This matters because location determines available controls. Once logged in, find the specific item and note its position and tags, since removal can change order. Make sure you have edit permissions, owner, collaborator, or manager, because otherwise the remove action will be blocked. If you don't have permission, request access now. If you do, proceed to the video row, hover or tap the options icon, and prepare to open the element menu. Now you perform the removal. Click the item's options menu, 3 dots or a long press on mobile, and choose Remove or Remove from Playlist. Pay attention to wording. Remove typically detaches from the playlist, while Delete may erase the source video. Confirm the prompt when asked, because this confirms intent and avoids accidental deletes. After confirming, wait for the UI to refresh and verify the playlist count or order updated. If it didn't, retry or refresh the page to ensure the change. Finish by verifying the result. Refresh the playlist view so the platform shows the current state. Make sure the video is gone and other entries shifted correctly. If it still appears, check your permissions, confirm your internet connection, and clear cache data because stale cache can show old lists. If problems persist, sign out and back in or provide support with screenshot, playlist URL, and your account role. This helps them diagnose why removal failed fast and prevents accidental data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.